So imagine there is a tiny person living inside your computer. This person can talk to you through apps like Telegram or Discord, check your emails, connect different apps to create automated workflows, monitor stock prices or news, and send you updates whenever you want. Basically, it does the kind of repetitive digital tasks an assistant would normally handle. And the best part is, it never complains. It never asks for a salary. And that's what OpenClaw is. You might also hear people say Clawdbot or Moltbot, because it was originally called Clawdbot, then renamed to Moltbot, and was changed to the current name, OpenClaw, due to trademark issues. OpenClaw is a self-hosted AI assistant that doesn't just answer questions, it actually does things for you. Most AI assistants today live in the cloud. That means your data, your conversations, and sometimes even your workflows are stored on someone else's system. For many people, that's fine. But if you care about privacy, control, or customization, that can feel limiting. OpenClaw flips that idea around. Because you install it yourself, you host it yourself, you choose which AI model it uses, whether that's OpenAI, Anthropic, or even a local model running on your own machine. In simple terms, you own it. So here's how it works. First, you install OpenClaw on your own computer or server. During setup, you choose which AI model you want to use, decide how you'll communicate with it, like Discord or Telegram, and configure a few API keys and tokens, just basic setup stuff. Once it's up and running, it stays active in the background, ready whenever you need it. Instead of logging into some complicated dashboard, you just send it a message like you would to a friend. Behind the scenes, OpenClaw works using something called skills. A skill is basically a small automation script that tells it how to perform a specific task. Think of skills as superpowers you can give to your assistant. One skill might summarize long messages. Another might organize files on your computer. The website you are seeing is called ClawHub. It's basically a store where you can find skills to give to your OpenClaw. And here's where it gets powerful. You can chain skills together. For example, you can instruct it to maybe check a website for new articles, then summarize those articles using an AI model, then post the summary in your Discord server, all automatically. Pretty cool, right? So that's Clawbot in 2 minutes. A private, customizable AI agent that doesn't just talk, it takes action. So if you like the idea of an AI coworker that actually works and doesn't complain, go ahead and set up a Clawbot for yourself. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.